Well, you know, summer is near when the Chicago Food Truck Festival returns, and it's back. The restaurants on wheels filled Daily Plaza with delicious aromas this afternoon, giving Loop workers some new options for lunch. From 11 to 3 every Friday until October, you'll find a dozen food trucks selling delicious items and sweet treats as well. Most of the trucks are small businesses, many run by families. Veterans of the food truck game say it's a great opportunity to have people try new food for the first time, and a lot of people do. It's very popular right across the street from our street side studio.
That's right. Meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist is back with us. This was pre-dust storm, so it was beautiful out there. The sun was out before, we had what moved in tonight, Mary Kay.
Right, it looked like a movie, I think, from all the pictures and videos that I've seen. You know, we're going to keep the winds going on Saturday, maybe not as strong as this evening, but they will be steady out of the west, anywhere between 25 and 35 miles per hour. That is going to pull in a cooler air mass, so gone are the 90s. We're talking 66 Saturday, Sunday 63, but if you're near the lakefront, middle 50s. That'll be the story. And then we have a wet, cool pattern setting up for next week, with the bulk of this falling on Tuesday. In fact, Tuesday is going to feature our highest rain chance, where we ramp it up to 80%. I do think both rush hours on Tuesday will be affected with this steady rain. So on Monday, later in the day, we watch this wall of rain move in for Monday night. We start wet Tuesday through the day, through the evening rush, as this system is very slow to move out and leaves us with a few showers to start Wednesday before finally drying out. But interesting to note, with this rainy pattern, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boy, do temperatures struggle. We are dropping into the lower 50s on Tuesday with that very wet pattern setting up. So it's going to be kind of a raw day there. So a cool wet pattern here as we get the work week rolling. In the meantime, it's mild. 71 degrees is where we stand. We still have those gusty winds sustained at 23 miles per hour, but gusting to 35. So the setup, now we're losing that mild air mass. It's moving eastward. Low pressure to the north. Winds come around this low in a counterclockwise position, so the backside of it features those cool westerly winds. That will be the influence during the day tomorrow. I don't think we'll get rain, but the cloud deck will probably linger through much of the day. So on the current satellite radar picture, you can see these rain showers to the west fizzling out as dry air works in, but the cloud deck holds with us, and that'll be with us tonight. So kind of cloudy and breezy, 53 for your overnight low. Tomorrow, only 66 degrees with those strong winds out of the west, about 67 in Joliet. So noticeably cooler here for the weekend, as temperatures near the lakefront will hover in the mid-60s for Evanston, and even around the rim of the lake, we will keep those temperatures in the 60s. So holding clouds for us with gusty west winds, but then on Sunday we will start clearing out. But with the northeasterly wind coming off that 43-degree lake, boy, Joe and Erica, we have to plan for the middle 50s near the lakefront on Sunday. But at least our weekend's dry, because we get super wet starting Monday night right through Wednesday morning.
That's been quite a week, actually. A little bit of everything. Some of it pretty strange.
Thank you, Mary Kay.